Morning, YouTube. Today is the 14th, Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. And it's cold. I don't know if you can see outside here. Yeah. Snowing and it's cold. And I'm on my way down to feed. I'm taking the truck so I can have a heater going. Not so much for myself, although I'm not gonna lie, it's nice. But for baby goats, if I get down there and they're froze and at least got a chance to get them in here, get them starting to get warmed back up and get them back to the house. So anyway, that's all I know right now. I will have more info here shortly as soon as I see what the pregnancy damage is down here, because it'll happen today because it's nasty. So anyway, get back at you. Bye. Good. Get out of there. Hey YouTube. Good news. Although it's extremely nasty and the wind's blowing and the snow going and the animals are hungry, the mama that I thought was gonna have babies actually did, and she's an older mom. She's heavily experienced. The guy I got her from, he actually just had a bunch out in a field and he didn't even, hold on a second. Can't shut the gate with one hand. Anyway, heavily experienced, and she was basically on her own out there. And that's why I bought her, is because she was a pretty mature doe, or premature nanny that had been in all the elements with minimal supervision. And this is what you get when you buy something like that. She's a mama that's taking care of her babies, and they look pretty healthy. I'm not gonna mess with them unless I see them go like get weak or something. But I'm gonna leave her be, and I'm gonna get out of here so these other ones don't bother. Oh, almost fell. Anyway, everybody else is doing good. That little guy in the corner, I don't know, you can't see him. Let me get a little closer. I'm gonna start getting ice in my beard. This little guy that's born by that first time mom is doing very well. It looks like that one right there next to her, she could go at any time too. So, and these little guys, all these guys are doing very well. Mama's face seems to be healing. Oh, no. Actually, I think she's got an infection. I'm gonna wait till after this hard weather, and then I'm gonna start giving her antibiotics. Yeah, she's gonna need some antibiotics. Because I'm assuming that is an infection coming out of her nose. Most likely. So anyway, that's where we're at. I'm gonna finish feeding, and I'll try to get this posted tonight. I know you're really supposed to like space them out over a couple of weeks or months, and one a week, and I was trying to be on a schedule, but I don't want to do that. The weather, all this is happening right now, and this isn't, I don't know. If you see snow in 2 weeks, you're gonna be like, what's going on? So that's why I'm going ahead and doing it as it happens, or within a few days. So anyway, please like and subscribe. I may never know what I'm gonna do. I may throw some random stuff at the end of this video just to, I don't know, just kind of lengthen it out, because it's only gonna be like 4 or 5 minutes probably, unless I get some more footage today. So anyway, thank you for your support, and I'll be back. Thanks. Bye. can't show it if I do that. Oh. Let Mama do what she's gonna do, okay? Let Mama do. Yeah. I got it. It's all right. I know.
That is so sweet. Oh my gosh.
Oh, she didn't like that though.
That's her baby. Looks like she might have triplets.
You think so?
I think so.
Oh boy.
What do you think we ought to do with her?
Let's let Mama clean them up and then see what happens, because I don't want to just grab them. I want the mom to try to kind of do it, but honestly, I'd be afraid to leave them out here. You know, I mean.
I know, they're gonna die. Can we get that white one away from her?
Let's see if I can. Yeah, I'm gonna start recording. This is.
Okay.
Hey YouTube, MarRRR here. Got the camera mounted to my dash. Hopefully this will be usable. But I just wanted to show how much snow is coming down. This is crazy. I'm going to the back to check the animals.